Friends, I am Dr. Vilas Kalekar. I would like to welcome all of you in the Understanding Rubrics of Mind series, episode number 11. Today's rubric is amusement. What is meant by amusement? Amusement is a light pleasure, or it is a something that pleases or holds attention, or feeling caused by something that makes you laugh or smile. The feeling of being entertained or made to laugh. This is amusement. हिंदी मीनिंग मन बहलाना, मनोरंजन करना. मराठी मीनिंग मनोरंजन करणारी गोष्ट. So there are two different sub rubric of amusement: amusement aversion to and amusement desire to. First of all, we will see the amusement desire to. Amusement desire to means dislike pleasure to, has lost interest in the things which pleases the mind or holds the attention. This is aversion to amusement. What are the remedies for aversion to amusement? First is Baraita carb, second is Calcarea carb, Hipparcel, Ignitia, Baraita carb, Lilium tea, Minianthus, Oleander and sulfur. So these are the remedies that is for the amusement aversion for. Now we will see the cross references for amusement aversion. First cross references is going out aversion to. That is meant by act of departing, who does not go out their settled routine or principles. People does not like to go out of home or do or does not want to change their place or location. This is aversion to going out to aversion. Second is indifference pleasure. Indifference means the state of being indifferent, no marked feeling or interest with a family in a certain circumstances where he has no desire to talk to them or he does not wish to hear about them, or it is a lack of concern towards the things which used to give happiness to the person. It can be his hobby, job, or maybe anything. This is indifference. Then next cross references is indifferent playing to, jesting aversion to. What is meant by jesting? Jesting means to say things that are not serious or true, especially to make someone laugh. Fun spoken in a jest. This is jesting. Then laughing averse to. Laughing means show mirth, showing happiness. These people has aversion to or dislike for laughing. Then next cross reference, play aversion to, indisposition to in children's. Play means exercise or action by way of amusement or recreation. Then next cross reference, pleasure nothing in. What is meant by pleasure? Pleasure means enjoyable sensation or emotion. It is a feeling of happiness, gladness and joy. Doesn't matter you show it or not. The next cross reference, sadness, despondence, dejection, mental depression, gloom, melancholy. What is mean by sadness? Sadness is unhappiness, sorrow, gloomy, emotion experienced when not in a state of well-being. Sadness is an emotional pain associated with or characterized by feeling of disadvantage, loss, despair, grief, helplessness, disappointment and sorrow. So this is sadness. Then last cross reference is serious. Serious means who are grave in manner and disposition. This is all cross reference of amusement aversion to. Now, what is the miasm of amusement aversion to? The miasm is psychosis, disease condition or psychiatric condition is depressive illness and schizophrenia. This is amusement aversion to. Now we will see the amusement desire for. What is meant by amusement desire? It is a desire for pleasure. Now what are the remedies? Remedies, that is lachesis, laccan, coca, aurum, belladonna, crocus, caliidum, calisulf, medorinum, phosphorus, sepia, sulfur and tuberculinum, and last phosphorus. So these are all group of remedies for desire for amusement. Now we will see the cross reference for desire for amusement. First is cheerful, gay, mirthful. What is meant by cheerful? Cheerful means even during the course of sickness, he is in a good spirit, happy mood, being full of promoting cheer, having or showing good spirit. This is cheerfulness. Then contented. Contented means satisfied or happy despite of various suffering and determined for his routine and yet feels satisfied or at ease and comfortable with what they have and their surroundings, or pleased with your situation and not hoping for change or improvement. This is contented. Then next cross reference, desireful, desires, cheerful, desire to be. Desires means longing or craving for something, strongly wish for or want something. Then next cross reference, excitement, desire for. Now, what is meant by excitement? The excitement is the feeling of lively and cheerful joy, something that agitated and arouses. It is act of exciting emotionally to slightest provocation. This is excitement. Then high spirited. High spirited means courageous, very lively and active or bold, energetic feeling despite of being placed in a tense situation, or it is a lively and cheerful in behavior or mood. Patient never allows their spirit to go low, even in the life situation, low life situation, they try to be cheerful. This is high spirited. Then jesting. Jesting means to say things that are not serious or true, especially to make someone laugh, fun, etc. Then laughing. Laughing means showing mirth, showing happiness, spontaneous sounds and movements of the face and body that are the instinctive expression of lively amusement. Then next cross reference, loquacity, jesting with. A loquacity means excessive talkativeness, unrestricted speech or talking. This is loquacity. Then mirth. Mirth means it is a fun and enjoyment as shown by laughter or excessive feeling of happiness which may not be found in other normal person, or it is a pleasurable feeling, enjoyment, gratification or happiness. This is mirth. Then occupation, amelioration. Occupation means an activity that occupies a person's attention, or it is a feeling of peace or a relief of their symptoms, what their mind is occupied somewhere or in something, or it is this patient feels better when they are occupied in some work. They forgot about their complaints when their attention is diverted. This is occupation amelioration. The next cross reference, playful. The next, play, desire to, playful. The next cross reference, pleasure. Pleasure means enjoyable sensation or emotion. Pleasure is a feeling of happiness, satisfaction, and enjoyment. It is used to be or intended for entertainment rather than business. This is pleasure. Then smiling. Smiling means who has always smiling face. Traveling desires. Traveling means pleasure is feeling of happiness, satisfaction and enjoyment. It is used to be intended for entertainment rather than business. Then last cross reference, dreams parties. Dreams is a series of mental images, ideas and emotion occurring in certain stage of sleep. So this is all the cross references of amusement, desire for. So this is all about the amusement. Then thank you for your kind listening.